15 ways you can make money while you sleep. This requires that you have to work upfront to create passive income. Whether you are sleeping or not, it doesn't matter. Whether it is day or night, it doesn't matter. The money automatically comes in. Okay? This is what I mean by 15 ways you can make money while you sleep. The money will come in whether you are sleeping or not. It won't stop the money from coming in. However, there are so many ways you can get paid to sleep. Yes, just to close your eyes, rest, just sleep, and you will get paid. I'll be sharing that as a bonus at the end of this video. So make sure you stick to the end so you don't miss out. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. The first I'll be sharing is through ebooks. You can find a niche market and write a great book. You have to write a book that there is an audience for, a book that people are searching for. Write a book and sell on Amazon KDP, or you can sell it on your own, on your blog, on your website, on your YouTube channel, your social media handles. You can sell your ebook and you get paid whether you are sleeping or not. It doesn't matter. Okay? To sell ebook on Amazon KDP, you have to know that Amazon will take their own commission and you will get paid at the end of the month. But if you are promoting your own product by yourself, you will get paid. With Amazon, you don't need to promote your book. They will do the promotion, the selling, and you will get paid at the end of the month. The next way you can make money while you sleep is to flip website. You can develop a website, create traffic to this website, and sell it. Next is through webinars. When I say webinars, I don't mean live webinars. I mean automated webinars because they run day and night. You don't need to be there to start selling your digital product. If you are running a webinar, you should consider selling digital products. It could be coaching services. This is one of the best ways you can sell your digital products. You can consider dropshipping too. Dropshipping is simply being the middleman between the buyer and the seller. You don't need to keep inventory at all. You will connect the buyer and the seller will automatically deliver to the buyer while you get your money. This is another way you can make money while you sleep. The next is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, as you may know, is when you partner with brands to promote or market their product with a unique link. Whenever anyone buys with your link, you will get paid. Again, whether you're sleeping or not, your money will always come in. Whenever anyone buys with your link, you will get paid. You can start marketing with your affiliate links on your social media handles. Whenever anyone makes a purchase with your link, it doesn't matter if you are sleeping or not. It doesn't matter if it is day or night. You will get your commission. The next one is through blogging. Blogging is one of the ways you can make money on autopilot. With blogging, you can sell virtually anything. Make sure the product you will be selling will be beneficial to your readers. You can make a content around the product. Create valuable, entertaining, and engaging content around the product you'll be selling. Make sure it fills a need that your readers want. Next is through online courses. Create online courses on Kajabi, Udemy, or Teachable. Anything you are knowledgeable about, anything you want to share with the world, create a course about them and start selling. When people are buying your courses, it doesn't matter whether you are sleeping or not, the money comes in. The next one is through YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel, create engaging and entertaining contents for your audience, and you will start earning through ads and sponsorships if you are admitted into the YouTube partnership program. If you want to learn how you can start a YouTube channel, check the description box below. I've made a well-detailed video about that. With YouTube, someone can be watching your video at any time of the day or night. It doesn't matter if you are sleeping or not, you are earning your money. So create a YouTube channel today and start earning while you sleep. You can also invest in the stock market and earn money while you sleep. You know what they say about it takes money to make money. Aha. Real estate rentals is next. As people are looking for where to live and work, you can provide the space and sit back, watch them. At the end of the month or year, you will get paid. Although you will have to do some maintenance, but the profit will be more. You can hire a property manager to assist you. It doesn't matter if you are sleeping or not. Your tenant will always pay his or her rent. This is a great way to earn money while you sleep. You can also make money while you sleep by selling stock content. It could be pictures, video clips, or music. I've made a well-detailed video on how you can do this, selling stock content. You can do it on Pixabay, Shutterstock. There are a lot of them. The video is well-detailed. I'll be linking it in the description box below. If you have people in the video you want to put up in the stock sites, alert them. Let them know that you'll be using this for whatever purpose. All right? You will have to upload content, choose a price. When people download your content, you will get paid. Whether you are sleeping or not, it doesn't matter. You can build an app and sell it on the App Store if you have coding knowledge. If you don't have coding knowledge, you can hire someone to design this for you. You can find them on fiverr.com or upwork.com. Whenever anyone downloads your app, it doesn't matter if you are sleeping or not, you will get paid. You can also sell on Amazon FBA. This is a service that lets individual sellers find products they want to sell and let Amazon handle the business and logistics part of it. Once a deal is done, you'll be paid whether you are sleeping or not, it doesn't matter. You can turn yourself to a product and sell. This is when you position yourself as an authority in your target market. Leverage on this trust, create products and services that your audience will need. Make sure this product or service will solve a problem. Position yourself as an authority in your target market, create a product, leverage on this trust, and sell. This is how you turn yourself to a product. If you have an inspiring story, a secret, an experience you want to share, you can put it in writing or a video and sell. It doesn't matter if you are sleeping or not, it will sell. The next way you can make money while you are sleeping is to live stream yourself while you are sleeping. Yes, as you are sleeping, live stream yourself. Let people watch you sleep and you will get paid. Yes, an 18-year-old live streamed himself while sleeping and he earned $10. A 24-year-old man live streamed himself and he was paid $50. The thing is, the people watching you are not just watching you sleep. Maybe they'll be chatting with other people while watching you sleep. While you earn your money, they have fun. The next is through e-commerce store. You can create your own e-commerce store with Shopify. There is no inventory, no overhead. The goods will be warehoused, labeled, and shipped in your name. Whether you are sleeping or not, you will get paid. I think I've exhausted the 15 ways you can earn money while you are sleeping. But I would like to add this before the bonus. The last but not the least way you can earn money while you sleep is to actually get paid to sleep by looking for jobs that can pay you to sleep. Yes, jobs that pay you to sleep, like testing beddings and mattresses and taking part in test studies. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not subscribed, please do and hit the notification bell. Here is the bonus. Thanks for sticking to the end. This is how you will get paid to sleep. This time to actually close your eyes, sleep, and get paid. Review hotels for a travel blog. Become a sleep product tester. Get paid to stream commercials on your phone while sleeping. Sleep while donating plasma. Get paid to sleep for NASA. And finally, become a sleeping beauty for sleep junkie. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.